Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Don't worry about those popos staked out back. I'll tell you about that in a couple minutes. I've got a couple shop card shout outs I got to get to. So the first one comes to me from David at Plastic Imagination Workshop. I got this a day or two ago. And if you notice, David dabbles in a little bit of everything. He's got the hot rods, he's got the big rigs, sci-fi, and even the whirlybirds right here. If you've never checked out his channel, I suggest you do so. I'll leave a link in the description. You can check it out for yourself. David, appreciate the card, appreciate the kind words and the support of my channel as well. Thank you very much. The next one is from Rick over at Down the Throat Modeling. Again, another builder who's got a lot of different interests. I was over at Rick's channel this morning and I was watching one of his latest videos. He's doing a buddy build of a submarine with Daniel over at Munchkin Modeling Man. And yeah, you should go over there and check it out. He conveys a lot of information in his video about the submarines and stuff like that. A lot of interesting stuff. So go over there and check it out. I'll leave links in the description. Rick, thank you for the card and the kind words and the support of my channel as well. I appreciate it very much. Alright guys, so I'm sure you've been here before. You've gotten to a point in a build and you said, you know what, this thing is driving me nuts, I'm going to go put it away. Well, that's where I was with the Outlaw. So I went and I boxed it up and I put it away for right now. I'll revisit it at another time. The thing has some small parts to it and it's finicky. And it was starting to get on my last nerve. So I decided to take the opportunity to do something else. So a couple weeks ago, Mr. Mark Batson, Hobby Dude 007 himself, put out a challenge. In honor of Police Week, which runs May 15th through the 21st, he asked that on May 31st we post pictures and or videos of any of the police vehicles that we've ever built. Well, being that's the only Popo mobile that I've ever built, I decided I was going to do another one in honor of Police Week. So I'm going to do the cop-out. It's not necessarily going to be the cop-out because I had to gather up 2 kits to make one complete kit, and I still don't have the decals. But what I do have is I have some Gopher Racing decals that I picked up a couple months back. These, along with some dry transfer decals that I have, I should be able to make my specific county's police car. And I'll probably use the Pursuit unit decal here and the dry transfers to make Muskegon County Sheriff. And they'll still be pretty cool. So that's what I'm going to do in honor of Police Week. And if you guys want to participate as well, I'll leave a link to the video that Mark explains the challenge, and you could watch that for yourself. Alright guys, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.